Hey guys, welcome back. So today on this video, we're talking about 4 different ways that people are making money with Amazon FBA. And we're going to go over 4 different case studies of people making money with Amazon FBA. And I usually buy and sell my companies on Flippa, as you can see right here. So these are companies that are selling their business. So they disclose a lot of different financials about their Amazon FBA business. So it's a good way to get ideas on buying companies and also starting an Amazon FBA company. But why would you want to know how to make money with Amazon FBA? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're on TikTok or YouTube, you can see there's a lot of people making a lot of money with Amazon FBA. So I'm always looking for new streams of income and learning new ways to make money online. And this is one of the ways that I brainstorm ideas. So let's go ahead and jump into the first way to make money on Amazon FBA. So here we're looking at a company that's for sale called Silver Dollar Candle Company. So let's go ahead and just jump right into the facts. Monthly profit, they're listing at $6,600 per month. The asking price for this particular business, they're trying to sell it for $184,000. This business is supposedly 7 years old, and they're claiming the profit margin to be about 42%. This company sells candles that are made in the United States, and they are shipped through Amazon FBA, along with other avenues such as Shopify, as you can see right here. 70% Amazon, 25% Shopify, 5% other. Through their Shopify account, they're letting me know that the average order value is $92, and that consists of about 2 different items. If you look down here, the Amazon verified information, in December, they did $55,000 in revenue because candles are a popular business during the holidays. And then in January, it drops down to about $7,000, somewhere between $7,000 and $10,000 through the remainder of the year. So if you look down here, their website, silverdollarcandle.com, they do fulfill orders through there, but they don't really get a lot of traffic. It looks like 2,800 users per month. So not a huge amount. The bulk of their business is coming directly from Amazon FBA. So with this sale, they have 19,000 followers on Facebook, 3,800 on Instagram, and 19,000 folks on their email list. Okay, so if you look how they're gaining customers, the majority of their sales are coming through organic traffic and also Amazon CPC, which accounts for 70% of their business. So this is a little bit different than the Amazon FBA businesses that we normally look at, because this is made, it looks like it's made by this particular company. So when you purchase this company and you're fulfilling orders through Amazon FBA, it looks like they would be fulfilling the candle orders. It's not something you would need to make, but you would have to work out a deal with them since they would be the supplier. Generally, the suppliers are going to be from China and shipped directly to Amazon for Amazon FBA. So this one's a little bit different. So the cost of product might be a little bit higher. However, you do have a little bit of value when you say that these products are made in the US. So who would this business be good for? Well, if you're some sort of a home blogger or something to do with home or family, I think that would probably be one of your target customers. So if you already have a storefront or an existing audience, then this might be a good way to fast track your way into an Amazon FBA business. Or if you have a related product, so let's say that you sell candle holders, then this is a good way that you can go ahead and add in the actual candles into your business. So just to recap, this one, they are selling for $184,000, and they basically just sell candles that are made in the United States. So this is one way that you can make money on Amazon FBA. Let me go ahead and jump on over to the next business. Okay, so here is the next way that you can make money with Amazon FBA. So this company is called Forum Wholesale LLC. So let me go ahead and just list off some of the main facts. So this company, they're selling for $33,000, as you can see here. They're claiming the profit of $1,100 per month. I did look at their Amazon listing. They sell water bottles, or protein shakers, I guess is what you would call them. Now, as far as where they get their products from, these are sourced from China, which seems to be pretty common, especially with a product like that. We can take a look here at their revenue and profit. So you can see it starts to scale up after January. Since this is a gym-related product, that starts to make sense. And if we look right here in April of 2023, the revenue was $1,850, but of that, $1,400 was profit. So here they're saying that $2,000 is included in the sales price worth of inventory. So that would be these shaker cups that they've already purchased. So if you include that, then the purchase price is actually around $31,000. Okay, so here you can see that it's a pretty small business. They say that it only takes 30 minutes a day to check on inventory levels and kind of make sure that your stock is replenished when needed. So who would this business be good for if you're trying to make money with Amazon FBA? Same thing, if you have an audience that is maybe gym related or health and lifestyle related, then this could be a good add-on business to sell these water bottles to an existing customer, because they already have 4.4 stars on Amazon with 470 reviews. So while you're not going to get rich from this, since it's only about $1,000 per month, it could be a good add-on business and a good jumping off point if you're looking to get started selling on Amazon FBA. And this gives you a good foundation because if you were to start your own water bottle or protein shakers, it takes a long time to be able to get 470 reviews, and especially if you have 4.4 stars. I mean, this is over 4 years, so you're basically just fast tracking your protein shaker business by 4 years for the price of about $31,000. So that's the second way that you can make money with Amazon FBA. Let me go ahead and jump on over to the third way. Okay, guys, here we are on business number 3 for Amazon FBA. So let's go ahead and just name off a couple of important points. So this company is called Achieve Planner. They're selling this business for $9,500, so much cheaper than the rest of the businesses that we're looking at for Amazon FBA on Flippa. However, the monthly profit they're listing at $199 per month. It's been selling for about 2 years, and they have 4.5 stars for reviews on their Amazon FBA. So this is private label, so they've already done brand registry. Okay, so they're saying day-to-day operation, it's about an hour and a half a week worth of work. They're not really doing a lot of sales, so this is more of a side project. As you can see in January, which seems to be their busiest month, they sold $687 worth on Amazon FBA, and profit on that was about $376. So that's in the whole month. So you can see the statistics that are verified on Amazon. So December, they did $958. January, they did $950 worth of sales. Now, as far as social media, they only have 178 followers on Instagram and 381 on TikTok. So this particular business, it looks like they're only selling in Amazon Canada. They are not selling in the US. So it's a pretty small business. Again, they're selling for $9,500, which includes $3,600 worth of inventory, as you can see right here. So you're actually buying the business for about $6,000. So if you're looking to make money on Amazon FBA, who would this be good for? If you have a related audience, or if you're already selling with Amazon FBA, this could be an add-on business. And since it's a planner, it's a pretty general audience that you can sell this to. So it could be anyone who's looking to track time or progress throughout any one of their days or projects. Let me show you their Amazon listing right here. So they say it is for to-do lists, reflection pages. There's 90 days worth of pages in here, and it looks like they are selling 4 different colors. So they have 23 ratings at 4.5 stars, which is pretty good. So the interesting thing about this Amazon FBA business, you're not going to get rich selling it. It's definitely going to be an add-on business. So who would this be good for? Like I said, if you already have an audience who you think might be interested in planning their daily routines. So if you're some sort of a gym coach, if you're selling office supplies, if you're selling some sort of coaching program, then this planner business might be something that you might be interested in selling to make money with Amazon FBA. So let me jump into the fourth way that you can make money on Amazon FBA. Okay, so here is the fourth way that you can make money on Amazon FBA. So let me go ahead and just name off a couple of the key points. First off, this company's name is Coco Wo. They've been in business for 3 years, and they're saying the monthly profit is $1,700, which is after all expenses. And they're selling this business for $76,800. Of that, which $16,000 approximately is inventory. So you're actually buying the business for about $60,000. They're also saying that this business brings in $8,000 in revenue. So of that $8,000, it looks like about $6,000 is going to go into things like pay-per-click or buying product or general business expenses. Now they do have 170 reviews already on Amazon. Let me go ahead and open up their Amazon listing. Okay, so here is their Amazon listing. It looks like they're already brand verified, and you can tell because they have these added features that makes their Amazon listing kind of jump out with these extra images. So it looks like they are mostly selling these coasters, and they're saying they're made from natural cork with upcycled sandal sole pieces. So that's kind of an interesting sales process. And they have different colors. So they're selling orange and blue for these particular coasters. Now they also have other complementary products inside of their store. So they're selling these bowls as well. So it seems to be kind of health related, and if you care about the environment as well. So let me go ahead and jump back to the listing. Okay, so the average order value is $14.88. They're selling about 440 units per month. Their only sales channel is Amazon FBA. That is how they make money with Amazon FBA. They've already registered the brand. So the assets that are included are the logo, videos, product images, trademark, marketing materials, keyword data, and supplier details. So this is an interesting way to make money with Amazon FBA. So who would this business be good for? Well, it looks like if you have an audience that's health conscious, and maybe if they are conscious about the environment, this might be a good business because your audience is already in line with the types of products and how these products are sourced as well. Depending on your source of income, I'm not sure you'd be able to quit your business and strictly make money on Amazon FBA with this business, since it it only brings in about $1,700 per month. However, when you're running an Amazon FBA business, it is something that you can run remotely. So depending on which country you live in, that might be enough for you to sustain your lifestyle month to month. Also, who this might be a good business for to make money with Amazon FBA is if you have complementary products. So these are drink holders. So if you happen to be selling cups or silverware or tables or some sort of other related item, this might be a good add-on item to add in $1,700 worth of monthly profit into your other items. So let me jump back over to their listing. So on their listing, you can see they have 246 reviews and 4.6 stars. So that's a pretty good review base to start off with. In order to get 246 reviews with 4.5 stars, it does take some time. So your starting point is going to be catapulted ahead just by picking up this business, as long as it's related to something that you're already working on. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to make money on Amazon FBA, that's 4 different ways that other folks are making money with Amazon FBA. If you want to know more about one of these companies, be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave more information there. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.